Okay, just a very quick unboxing video of my new Ibanez. Now, this is the fixed bridge. Let's see if I can get the number right. It's the RGEW521FM-NTF. I love the Ibanez names. And let's just see the unboxing. So move back a bit. Let's just have a look at that. Already that looks like a beautiful top on it. DiMarzio pickups. Let's get rid of this. And we've got a nice Wizard 3 neck. Just go all the way down so we can have a look. And I'll be getting this out and doing some lessons with it later on, but look at that top. Let's see if we can move back a bit. What a beautiful guitar. That way. Wizard 3 neck, and as you can see, comes with a book, which we'll have a look through later on. Okay, absolutely lovely. Well, I'll get that out, get it set up, and the next video we'll do a beginner's lesson or an intermediate lesson with it. Okay, if you like the channel, especially the gaming side, please subscribe. If you're interested in guitar grades, especially the RGT London College of Music grades, we'll be covering all of those in the next few lessons. Brilliant. Cheers then.